One of my most frequently asked questions is, Josh, is selling on Amazon dead? Is the well dry? Is the opportunity gone? So first and foremost, let's talk about saturation, because so many people refer that question in another way. Like, is Amazon saturated? Are all the products saturated? Is it realistic to actually be able to start and sell on Amazon? So for saturation to occur, what has to happen is there has to be more sellers and there has to be more supply than there is demand, right? Look at it kind of like a pendulum or like a teeter-totter, right? If you have supply all the way up here, meaning all the sellers, and you have demand down here, what's gonna happen? It's gonna overturn that pendulum, right? Overturn that teeter-totter. So what I'm trying to get you guys to see is there's literally tens of millions of consumers on Amazon every single day. Literally 2/3 of America and over 50% of the world shops on Amazon. So Amazon desperately needs more people like me and you to take advantage of this amazing opportunity, because there's not enough sellers. There's nowhere near close to the amount of sellers as there are consumers. So now that we got that out of the way, let's talk about product saturation, because I'm not gonna lie to you guys, there is product saturation. There are products that are saturated. For example, I would not recommend you guys trying to go launch a yoga mat unless you're a huge yoga influencer and you have a diehard following that is going to buy your product and you don't have to start a new product and a new brand on Amazon, right? I wouldn't recommend that you guys get into supplements unless you have a huge brand, a huge following where you can actually push this traffic directly to Amazon. But there's tons of products, right? I'm actually using one right now. Like, I can grab it off of this table and it's an SD card case, right? Like, you probably don't even have one of these. You probably never even heard of this, but this is a product that has high demand, low competition, right? Now, the numbers might not be amazing right now, but I'm using this as an example because these are the type of products that you want. And if I look at the name brand, it's Kira Photo, right? I don't know if the camera can pick that up. Kira Photo. You've never heard of that. I've never heard of that. And that's what we're looking for. We're looking for these opportunities to sell these unique products that have high demand and low competition. So you don't have to sell thousands and thousands and thousands of units a month to make a good amount of living. So that sums everything up, guys. Is Amazon dead? Absolutely not. Another thing is, people ask me, Josh, a year from now, 2 years from now, 5 years from now, do you see Amazon being dead? Do you see Amazon being saturated? And I'm gonna be 100% transparent and honest. I can't see into the future. I don't have a crystal ball. And a wise man once said that you have to take action on an opportunity of a lifetime during the lifetime of an opportunity. So will Amazon be viable as it is right now? Will it still be this blue ocean 5 years from now, a year from now, 2 years from now? I honestly cannot tell you the answer to that. But what I can tell you is, for the last several years, the amount of consumers that are flooding into Amazon versus the amount of sellers that are taking action on this amazing opportunity is nowhere near level. And I wouldn't start to become concerned until there's 100 million sellers and 100 million consumers, or somewhere near equal levels. Right now, they're definitely not close in numbers.